Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a gadget geek, here is the list of 7 coolest gadgets for you that raise the bar for innovation and excellence. And these gadgets are sure to inspire and delight. Number 7. ApolloSign Pack. Go 27. Get ready to revolutionize your entertainment experience with the ApolloSign Pack Go. This new portable screen is about to level up the game, integrating all the functionalities of a smart TV, a tablet, a gaming console, and a display into one product design. Featuring a 1080p touchscreen, this 27-inch screen with Android 12 OS integrated into a briefcase. So briefcases are not just for business anymore. Plus, with seamless app integration and Google Play access, you'll never run out of entertainment options. It has extensive connectivity options, including Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi 6, and multiple ports mean you can hook up all your favorite devices. But here's the best part. This thing is versatile in viewing options with adjustable screen positioning. Whether you are a game player, a movie lover, or a music fanatic, this Pack Go is perfect for you. And with its long-lasting battery life, with up to 6 hours of continuous use, you can take it with you wherever you go. You will be amazed to know its ambient soundscapes, with which you can immerse yourself in 8 different environments, from a cozy fireplace to ocean waves. It got robust audio system with 2 40W speakers. Additionally, it has option of reverse charging and USB 3.0 connectivity, through which you can connect USB flash drives or mobile phones for data transfer and network access. It's like having your own personal entertainment hub in your hands. You need to check out the ApolloSign Pack Go. It's the future of entertainment. Number 6. SkyTed's Silent Mask. Imagine being able to have a private conversation in a crowded space without worrying about others listening in. That's exactly what SkyTed's innovative mask offers. This wearable technology reduces sound by 25 decibels, creating a personal sound bubble that lets you speak freely. The tech behind it is pretty cool. It uses resonators similar to those in jet engines. There are holes in mask that will draw the sound away into one of 2 12mm chambers built into the mask. And with its microphone, Bluetooth or wired connectivity, and phone app, you can adjust your privacy settings and even boost your voice when needed. It's not meant for complete silence or screaming loudly, but it's perfect for keeping conversations confidential. And with its impressive tech and practical applications, SkyTed's mask is revolutionizing the way we communicate in public. Number 5. Overaid Life. Stay safe and stylish on the streets with Overaid Life. This revolutionary helmet is designed to keep you visible and connected, no matter the time of day or weather conditions. With bright and uniform Cobb LED lights on the front and back, one can be seen from up to 400 EOS away. Say goodbye to awkward hand signals. The Oxymote remote controller lets you wirelessly signal turns and brakes, making your ride safer and more efficient. Unlike other smart helmets, Overaid Life features OxyBrake technology, which activates brake lights directly from your brake levers. No delays, no risks. Plus, hazard lights alert others to potential dangers ahead with a simple press of a button. It has battery health up to 20 hours and costs only $98. If you are standing out in low light conditions with its headlight flash feature, you can grab the attention of riders and pedestrians. And with 6 elegant colors to choose from, you can match your helmet to your personal style. Overaid Life combines safety, innovation, and style, giving it the spot in coolest and must-have gadget of 2024. Number 4. PetLibeo Air Automatic Feeder. Hey pet parent! So you're looking for a way to make mealtime easier and stress-free for both you and your furry friend? Well, you're in luck. The PetLibeo Air Automatic Pet Feeder is here to save the day. First, setting it up is a breeze. You can schedule your pet's meals in advance, and the feeder will dispense the food automatically, up to 6 times a day. You can even customize the portion sizes to fit your pet's needs. And don't worry about batteries. This feeder lasts up to 180 days on a single set. Plus, the Smart Status Indicator lets you check on your pet's food from another room, so you can relax knowing they're all set. You know it's spill-proof? Accidents happen. But with the PetLibeo Air, you don't have to worry about messy cleanups. So, what are you waiting for? Get your paws on the PetLibeo Air Automatic Pet Feeder and make mealtime a whole lot easier. Number 3. Clip mouse. Imagine having a computer mouse that's as comfortable as a glove and as precise as a surgeon's tool. The clip mouse is that device, attaching effortlessly to your finger and providing unparalleled control and accuracy. Plus, it's designed to be super comfy, so you can use it for hours on end without feeling a hint of fatigue. And don't worry about compatibility. It works seamlessly with both Windows and Mac. With its rechargeable battery, with up to 24 hours of use, and adjustable DPI settings for customized performance, you can customize your experience to fit your needs. Whether you're a graphic designer, gamer, programmer, artist, or just someone who loves to browse the web, the clip mouse is perfect for anyone who uses a computer for extended periods. So why settle for an old-school mouse when you can have a cutting-edge clip mouse? Try it and save the best of computing technology for the future generations. Number 2. Google Nest Learning Thermostat, 3rd Gen. Here's the lowdown on smart thermostats. They're like a personal temperature butler, learning your preferences and adjusting the temperature for you. Google Nest Learning Thermostat, 3rd Gen. This smart thermostat learns your schedule and adjusts the temperature accordingly, so you can come home to a cozy space. It can be operated from your phone conveniently, from your phone, tablet, or laptop, and it is created to assist you minimize energy consumption and those high utility bills. It uses only 2 watts when it is inactive and 4 watts when active. It comes with a long-lasting rechargeable battery that can last up to 2 years before requiring a recharge. The thermostat comes with a USB charging cable for easy recharging. Additionally, it has received various certifications, including UL, Energy Star, and FCC, ensuring its safety and environmental sustainability. The device comes with a 2-year limited warranty. Installation is easy, and with its remote software updates, it offers energy-saving modes, sensors, and temperature adjustments. Number 1. Zero Breeze. Mark 3. Say goodbye to sweltering summers and hello to a refreshing oasis wherever you go. This revolutionary portable air conditioner is the ultimate game changer. Weighing in at less than 20 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to take with you on any adventure. With its powerful 5,280 BTU cooling capacity, you'll stay cool and comfortable even in the most scorching temperatures. Plus, the advanced climate control feature lets you set and maintain your ideal temperature between 61° F and 88° F. What's more, this eco-friendly wonder uses only 1/4 of the electricity of traditional air conditioners, making it a guilt-free treat for you and the planet. Power it up with an AC adapter, solar power, or even your trusty 12V vehicle. And with the remote control, you can adjust the settings from up to 10 m away. Talk about convenience. But wait, there's more. The Zero Breeze Mark III also features an automatic condensation drainage system, so you don't have to worry about a thing. Don't miss out on this revolutionary gadget that's taking the world by storm. That's a wrap on list of the coolest gadgets of 2024. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech-tastic content. Till then, keep your devices charged and curiosity sharper. See you in next video.